You got it? Watch out. Watch out, guys, watch out. You don't! You don't! The bushes! The bushes! Clayton, we need you here too! Suck. Right there. We gotta win the bush. Hey, get a barrel for you. You want?
That's Greg.
I know.
He's on your team.
Wait, Greg, you're our team, huh? Yeah, come here, we need you. Right there, look. Right there. Keep pushing. Get off here, you're done, dude. So get off there. Get on the field, jackwagon. We got to push some. What is Clayton?
Vicky, where'd Clayton go?
He's laying down in the brush on the right side.
Hey, you want to push it that way?
All right, is that them or is that us?
It's ours. Let's push it that way. So the jack nuts don't get off from that bush.
Whoa!
Whoa! Get it! Get it! Back to jackwagon. Yes.
Is that you?
Yes.
Dude, I'm making a wrong. Hey, is that one?
Yeah, it's ours. Somebody else right there. Go get some ammo, come back, okay?
Hey, cover me.
Huh? So use it. We need some help. While he's reloading his, let's go with me, okay? He catch us later. Put the gun look near the bucket so you don't forget. Let's go attack the jackwagon. Look, and you catch us later, okay? Alright. Spread it out. Oh, it's ours?
That's us.
Yes.
That's us. Going to trail. He's in a trail somewhere.
Each one Clayton's right here somewhere. Shh. Oh, sorry. Hey, Greg, don't make too much noise. And there's one. Hey, yeah. That's it. Clayton! Clayton! Are you Clayton?
No.
It's Aleph right here. Okay. All right.
That's it? That's it?
Don't spin your. Hey, don't got anyone? Oh, the little piece, good piece. You got our team? You got our team too? Why you told us it was my team?
Well, we're done. We was doing friendly fire then.
You just killed me.
Yeah, he killed me.
I did. Who did?
I almost killed you.
We haven't seen
It's all
Why
good.
did you flush him out? Then he popped up and shot me, you know, standing in the
I was
open.
shooting him
I
too.
thought you were on the other team.
I did too. I thought you were on
I was shooting him. I'm
I
like,
shot at you too.
we good, we did.
So
Hey,
is that it?